guys deserve an explanation again, don't you? Hi friends! You guys pretty much know the drill because you should have already seen my sips by video, and we are currently just waiting for my tea to steep. So we're here to do a little update as to where I've been. Some news, I think. Basically, I've been gone for at least a month again, at least. I'm not 100% sure what you guys do and don't know. Those who follow me on all my other social medias probably know more than you guys do here on YouTube, so make sure you go and follow my other social medias. Everything has the same name. It's all just Bethany Ryan, one word, super easy to find. Go follow me on other social medias so that you can stay updated as to where I am, why I'm not posting here, what is changing in my life, etc. Again, sorry if I'm repeating myself because I'm not 100% sure what you guys do and don't know. I'm moving! Yay! Finally leaving Iowa. I don't think I've told you guys that, like at all. Here, on YouTube at least. I'm moving in less than a month to Oregon. I am super excited. I am super nervous, but the last few months has been filled with finding an apartment. It's super competitive for housing out there. I've been hunting for that. What is available doesn't allow cats for the most part, and there's no way I can leave my cats. So it's been really hard to find not only a unit available, but a unit that we can afford, and a unit that allows cats. I'm sorry, I'm kind of attached to them. After searching and searching and applying a bunch of different places, not hearing back from a few different places because we were like, hey, I know you only allow one cat, can you allow two? And then never hearing back from them because one versus two cats. God forbid you have two cats. We finally, literally, like, when you're seeing this, I don't know how long it's been, but when I'm filming this, literally yesterday we got approved for an apartment that allows cats. It has 2 bedrooms, so I will finally have a filming room that is consistently a filming room / guest room, obviously. We will also be driving across country, so I plan on vlogging on our way out there / like moving vlogs in general. Leaving Iowa May 15th, getting to Oregon May 17th because we're driving across country. You guys should be seeing that. I don't think I'm going to be doing school anymore. Kind of need something to take up my time with the fact that I'm not going to be really doing very many photo shoots starting off. Probably I need to obviously get my feet on the ground out there and get my name out there, which I'm going to because I want to continue doing photography. The main thing that's been taking precedence of my life right now has been my photography business. If you want to check that out, you can go like the Facebook page, I'll have it linked down below. If I have anyone that lives in Oregon who wants to shoot with me, hit me up. But yeah, so I'm moving to Oregon and I'm so stoked about it, but it's just been taking up a lot of my time. I've pretty much got my life lined up out there, thankfully. I've got a place to live and a job. I'm super excited to finally get out of Iowa, and as of right now, the plan is to not move back to Iowa, but kind of just adventure around because with Drew's job, we may be moving. In general, with Drew's job, there's not a lot of opportunities here in Iowa. We're finally leaving Iowa. I told you guys I wouldn't be stuck here for the rest of my life. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I did reading people's assumptions about me video, and someone assumed that I was going to live in Iowa the rest of my life, and that was wrong. I'm so excited. So that's been my life recently. The plan is to start making videos again because there are so many adventures to be taken moving forward, and I'm so excited for it. This was just a quick little video to give you guys an update. Please go follow my other social medias because I upload those pretty much every day. I hope you guys are excited for my future that I'll be sharing with you guys, and I know that I am. That was my long story long. A little update, and my camera's overheating, so I gotta go. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around. I'll see you guys all soon, and in the meantime, make sure to spread some positivity. Bye guys.